स्कूल में सबसे ज्यादा मार्क्स एसएसटी में आते थे, लेकिन अभी जेई और नीट का पेपर दे रहे हो. आई टॉक टू 90% ऑफ यू. इट वॉजंट योर डिसीजन. इट वॉज सोसाइटीज, इट वॉज योर रिलेटिव्स, इट वॉज योर पेरेंट्स. एंड येस, दे आर योर वेल विशर्स. But is your condition really well right now? And I don't mean to rage bait you, but do you even know that there exists power, respect, money and life out of engineering and medicine? There is another option. In this video, I am going to talk to those of you जिन्हें पता नहीं क्यों स्कूल में SST पीरियड में ज्यादा मजा आता था या इंग्लिश की आंसर राइटिंग करते हुए सोचना नहीं पड़ता था, जिनकी क्रिएटिव राइटिंग या डिबेटिंग स्किल्स औरों से अच्छी थी और उन्हें प्रॉब्लम सॉल्विंग में मजा आता था. There exists another option other than JEE and NEET. It's called CLAT. CLAT. Common Law Admission Test. लॉ ये तो मेरी फैमिली में कभी पहले किसी ने नहीं किया. इसके लिए कितना पढ़ना होता होगा, इसकी फीस ज्यादा होगी, ये बहुत आउट ऑफ द ब्लू है, बहुत अनएक्सप्लोर्ड फील्ड है, अभी इंडिया में उतना हो नहीं सकता. रियली लॉ मतलब जॉली LLB टाइप लॉ? वेल यस, if you want to talk about law on that spectrum, let's talk about that spectrum for all professions. Let's talk about the engineers who were left unemployed by the end of their degree. Let's talk about those thousands of doctors who couldn't survive residency, who wanted to save lives but themselves became patient of the toxic and prolonged time required to do that. So, सुनो मेरी बात. If you're someone जिसको societal issues में interest है, मुझे नहीं है भाई, मेरे को पैसे से मतलब है, ठीक है. यू कांट इवन इमेजिन हाउ मच अ टैक्सेशन लॉयर अर्न्स इन इंडिया. गो फाइट केसेस ऑफ बिग कंपनीज. न्यूज फ्लैश, गूगल डजंट जस्ट हायर engineers, it hires lawyers too, because while yes you guys would help them make AI, they would need us to defend themselves in front of the European Union for your application to even be applicable there. Now that I have your attention, let me get started. So law से आप सिर्फ lawyer नहीं बनते हो. Let me clear that myth first. ओके पहले मैं बताती हूँ कि आपको, मैं गेस करती हूँ कि आपको किन किन चीजों में इंटरेस्ट रहा होगा थ्रू आउट, जिसको आपने इग्नोर करके कारपेट के अंदर डाल दिया है. एंड नाउ यूर लाइक, well, you know what? I actually really want to become either an engineer or a doctor. I suspect you would be someone who would be deeply interested in problem solving, in critical thinking about societal issues and problems, about debating why this is right and why this is wrong, in mediating efforts between two opposing parties. They could just be your friends, just being interested in that, you know, trying to understand how things work and trying to get into the nitty-gritty and the intricacies of how one matter interacts with another and how one wins over other, over how policies are made and how these loopholes are made, over how you can fix these loopholes. You would have enjoyed extempore or debate competitions. Writing would have been one of your favorite activities of all time. Speaking and expressing yourself would be something that you look forward to and knew that this is something that I'm really naturally good at. तो अगर आपके पास ये सारा स्किल सेट है, let me tell you what all you can become further into law if you choose to think, if you choose to pause and think कि ठीक है एक सेकेंड, maybe not this field, and don't bring up the excuse of a drop कि मैंने इसके लिए 1 ड्रॉप 2 ड्रॉप दिया. इस प्रोफेशन को अपने अगले 60 साल देने वाले थे. एंड एक ये चीज और समझ लो कि जब आप कोई एग्जाम देते हो ना, जेई, नीट, निफ्ट, CUET, CLAT, you're not giving an exam, you're choosing a life for yourself. So if you don't know what a doctor's life looks like, if you don't know what a regular engineer's life looks like, if you don't know कि इस प्रोफेशन में क्या challenges हैं, इस प्रोफेशन में जो challenge law में भी है, बहुत बहुत ज्यादा प्रॉब्लम है. I think the biggest one would be nepotism and corruption. अब वो तो हर प्रोफेशन में होगा, right? Would you still want to do it despite that is the debate. But यार आप समझो, अगर आप कोई काम कर रहे हो जो आपको पहले से ही नहीं पसंद, उस पर और challenges भी डाल दो, don't you think that will become a life that you just don't want to live? Okay, now let me talk about कि फिर क्या और क्या क्या कर सकते हैं, क्या क्या बन सकते हैं. 2 पहलू हैं इसके, ठीक है. एक तो सोसाइटी पॉइंट ऑफ व्यू. इफ यू आर समवन हु केयर्स एंड इज रियली पैशनेट अबाउट डाउरी डेथ्स और द रेप प्रॉब्लम ऑफ इंडिया, अबाउट जुवेनाइल जस्टिस or holding the government accountable, going into litigation, becoming a judge and affecting life of hundreds if not thousands by one stroke of pen is something that you can do. एक पूरे जेल कंपार्टमेंट की कंडीशन आप सिर्फ एक ऑर्डर से बदल देते हो. जज के पास क्या पावर्स होती हैं, क्या बेनिफिट्स होते हैं, क्या पर्क्स होते हैं, you can literally go and look it up online. You will be stoked. Okay, now you're like, you know what आर्या, मुझे ये समाज का उद्धार करने में इंटरेस्ट नहीं है, I want money. Fine, go and fight companies' cases then. Read through through the document, find out the nuances, read the other party's documents and make your party win. Then you would be called an in-house lawyer, a corporate lawyer, the salaries of which can of course go to crores because these are companies. Not just that, but if you're someone who's interested in negotiating, in mediating between parties, you can become, I'm sure आप में से कभी इसके बारे में नहीं सुना होगा, a negotiator or a mediator or an arbitrator. Like, what are these professions are? When Pepsi and, I'm just giving an example, when Pepsi and Coca-Cola get into a legal dispute, what do you think? They're gonna come in front of the court and fight their case so that everyone can kind of have popcorn in their hand. They sling mud upon each other and everyone gets to know all the trade secrets and they have no reputation left in the market. And उसके बाद भी उन्हें तारीख पे तारीख मिलेगी. Do you think big companies would do that? No, right? So these companies actually prefer mediation or arbitration. ये क्या होता है? ये एक closed room में high profile, high stakes kind of situation होती है जहाँ एक mediator बैठता है और इन दोनों पार्टी को कन्फ्लिक्ट से समझौते की तरफ ले जाता है. एक मीटिंग कैन गो एनीवेयर फ्रॉम 1 lakh to 2 lakh to 5 lakh to 10 lakh to, of course, sky is the limit. Next, if you're someone who wants to get into public policy or become a legal advisor to a company by just knowing enough about law, schemes and policies that are brought not just by the government but also by companies, do you think a company can even change the tone, the texture of their color of their product without consulting their lawyer? They can't. You know why? Because there again exists trademark and copyright lawyer. A slight variation in color can cause you lawsuit worth lakhs. And if you're someone who can sort this situation, who has the ability to critically apply all these laws correctly into a certain place and make them win their case, you don't have to really think about money. Definitely mehnat lagegi. Please ignore this. It's Qawwali night at my college today. I study at NLU Lucknow, one of the top law schools in India. CLAT All India rank 786. Okay. आपको इनके बारे में पता ही नहीं लगता है. You don't know about these guys, but these are the people writing the law. These are the people making sure that this happens and this doesn't. Of course, there is someone else who comes up and speaks. There is someone else who comes up and says that I won the case. But really, if you ask, all the smart brains behind doing all this are lawyers, are people from law. So, do I mean to say कि छोड़ो अपना struggle, law में आ जाओ, कोई struggle नहीं है. मैं एक 3rd year लॉ स्टूडेंट बनने जा रही हूँ. सुबह 5 बजे से लेकर 11:30 बजे तक मैंने सिर्फ ये डिसाइफर करा है कि इन यूपी अंडर हिंदू लॉ एक प्रॉपर्टी ग्रैंडफादर और ग्रैंडसन के जिंदा रहते, अगर फादर की डेथ हो जाती है तो उस प्रॉपर्टी का नेचर क्या होगा और वो किस किस में बटेगी. आई हैव डन दैट एंड दिस इज नथिंग. You need to go through papers and readings for hours. That's very boring stuff. Yes, I will not say that's very glamorous and how they show you in suits. No, it's not. For a lot of duration, you'll just have to do boring stuff. You'll just have to do drafting. You'll just have to kind of assist your senior lawyer. But that's how you learn the job. I don't think residency is this really fun thing to do. I have my own friends who got there and can't stop complaining about the toxicity of that work culture and environment, which I don't want to get into, but that's everywhere. Alright, I'm not saying law is really easy and something that, but यार तुम्हारा एक पर्सनल एक्यूमेन होता है. जो चीज लोगों को समझने में या करने में टाइम लगता है वो जब तक सोचते हैं. इफ यू कैन कम टू दैट कंक्लूजन, इफ यू आर समवन हु कैन जॉइन ऑल दीज वायर्स, इफ यू आर समवन हु हैज दैट कि मैं भाई इतनी रीडिंग इतने टाइम में करके इसका एक ऐसा कंक्लूजन निकाल सकता हूँ विच कैन एक्चुअली सेव a person or a company, your client, then maybe put your intelligence to that use. I know someone from my family. That guy was so much interested and scored so well in all these humanities subjects. He wanted to become a judge and now he's preparing for JEE. It's been 3 years. And I'm saying this to you as a friend, but you know, when you are at your study table and nobody is looking at you, the only motivation that you have is the pride on your parents' face. I think that you're doing a wrong thing. There has to be some degree of passion. There has to be some degree of attraction. There has to be some degree of organic desire towards the field and the life that you're going to choose for yourself. And again, I'm saying, हाल हर जगह बुरा है. Law में भी, if you just kind of sit through law school, don't network, don't work at your internships, don't study hard, you will end up being unemployed. Yes, but also if you work hard, you go out directly getting placed to Khaitan. You go out directly having 60-70 LPA plus. You go on getting hired by the top edtechs. You go on to becoming legal advisors to members of parliaments. You crack UPSC. You go on to become policy makers. तो अगर एक बार दोबारा इस decision को सोचना है कि यार do I want to do this? Is this something that I chose for myself and I want to continue? Or should I hear my calling? Is a decision that I leave for you to take. How we at Ace Legally can help you is that when you click the link for Google form in the description and you click on the first option that says mentorship, in price of about 2 Blinkit orders, we can have a full-fledged conversation about what is your background, what are your interests, what has been your story so far, and would law make sense for you, or should you continue doing what you were. We can help you make those decisions because in our team are not just people who are in top law schools, also people who tried, who gave immense time just to this field and not just the competitive exam of CLAT. Law के बारे में इतनी सारी बातें कि एक वीडियो में बोलना possible नहीं है, but if you're someone who's interested, join me over Google Meet where we discuss what exactly to do from now, and most importantly how not to feel hopeless and worthless about yourself. Been there, done that.